EthosEnergy's wide range of gas turbine services and capabilities can maximize the return on our customers' investment in their turbo machinery. Our in-house engineering and advanced repair technologies provide quality and excellence in customer service and delivery of equipment. With a responsive, cost-effective, and quality service every time, we can make sure you're getting the very best for your project. Our specialist facility in Houston, Texas offers the latest technology for comprehensive overhauls and repairs for all solar turbines under 15 megawatts. And just as importantly, we have a staff that is passionate about their work. From the top down, our operations promote the importance of advanced tooling and equipment with an emphasis on safety and quality. We operate under a set of beliefs, our ethos, with service excellence as a key driver of our performance. Maintenance also depends on having the right parts. EthosEnergy is the only company in the world which makes advanced APM hot section parts for the Solar Mars and Taurus engines. Our parts use superior geometry, metallurgy, and coatings where possible to improve on the original parts. We also have a stock of more than 50 exchange engines owned by EthosEnergy. Another part of EthosEnergy value-added solutions for clients is managed maintenance agreements that save clients money and prevent costly downtime. We provide field maintenance on a 24/7 basis to help customers handle unplanned outages. And we engineer specific solutions to mitigate risk and optimize performance. Once we have repaired and reassembled an engine in our purpose-built facilities, such as this Solar Mars turbine, we then performance test it. Using our state-of-the-art testing facility, we check for vibration, power, emissions, and other parameters. Our testing procedure is exceptionally transparent and collaborative. We invite clients to view the test and review performance maps. Using our knowledge, expertise, and proprietary technology, we offer clients great value-added solutions. Let us help you realize the full potential of your compression and power generating equipment. Contact EthosEnergy today.